so I wonder why. I feel pain when the rain fall from the sky. That's all my partner tears making heaven cry. Send you a message when the pigeons fly. Goodbye, listen to the reverend, reach about a legend 24/7. I'm missing you in my presence, you will never die. I wipe my eye while the choir sing a lullaby. So some respect we apply in a suit and tie. This was a lie, I can't deny. Sin is believing, I had to accept you no longer breathing. I bury you decent when I carry you reminiscent. Relive every memory is a reason. Different partner joining Jesus every season. Leaving me grieving in morning. Call home either evening, night, evening, or morning. And be gone with no warning. We born to feel leaving. This world is a blessing, no less than a curse. The pain never lasts, and I'm strong, but it hurt. Won't be the last time I visit my homie in the church. Touch a casket. Remember you laughing, dark glasses with a witness your hearse. Witness your bundle of flowers around a hole in the dirt. Witness your picture on the shirt, and I'm asking to witness many more days on this earth. What could be worse? I'll be the first in this fashion. Tell you with passion. How bad did it hurt? How bad did it hurt? How bad did it hurt to just breathe, breathe, breathe for all of my partners, for all of my partners. No, I haven't forgot you. No, I haven't forgot you. Breathe, breathe, breathe for all of my partners.
What's up, everybody? Ricochet, man, coming back at you. Man, I'm in Chicago. I promise you, I'm at a hostess place here in Chicago, and everything is inner city, so I'm going down a lot of residential neighborhoods, man. I'm having trouble turning and stuff like that, man. And in my notes to get to this place, as far as directions, it said that your tandems need to be moved all the way forward so you can make the turn. Man, mine ain't all the way forward, but they forward enough, but I'm still having some tight turns, man. Y'all pray for me that I don't hit nothing, man, getting up out this place. It's pretty crazy, you know. It's pretty crazy trying to get up out this place. It's something serious here in Chicago. Whoa. Yeah, man, but you know, here in Chicago, man, I think I came here one time with my trainer George, and we had a hard time backing into this spot because we had to bag in off the street. Thank God I didn't have to bag in off the street, but just turning into this little place, man, was difficult. I'm dreading on how I'm gonna get out because there's cars right there, then it's oncoming traffic, and then it's a residential street. So, oh man, be with me, Jesus, be with me. I need to get up out of here and don't hit nothing, get back on the interstate. I'm on my way to Kansas. I'll be dropping off in Kansas. It's a drop and hook. I'll be dropping off in Kansas in the morning at 8 a.m., picking up another load in Kansas, and then I'll be going to H-Town, man. I'm gonna go get ready to be on my home time. So I deliver in Houston on Saturday. I already got my other pre-plan for getting to Houston. So I drop this off in the morning, pick up tomorrow around noon, and then I'll drive halfway to Houston, and then I'll get to Houston on Saturday. So yeah, man, that's what it is, man. We running, but I'm finna get ready to go to my home time. I'm trying to debate on if I want to put some other upgrades on the truck, man. I've been debating on some other things that I want to get, man. I gotta go home. I gotta do my taxes. And then just enjoy my little family, man. Just chill. You know, I've been out a whole month. So I came out, I want to say January the 30th, and I'll be back at home on March the 1st. So I stayed out the whole month of February. So yeah, man, I'm getting this bread. I'm putting back the money that I used to buy that truck, the truck paying for itself. So I knew for a whole year I was gonna be in the red. And when I say in the red, is the money I pulled out of my savings in order to buy the truck. So I think I'm probably like about 40,000 there. So I think I got about 3-4 more months, and then the truck will be 100%. Well, it's 100% paid off, but that money will be back in until where I pulled it from in order to buy the truck. And then everything after that in about 3 months would be bottom line, man. Bottom line. So I knew that. I'm thinking about, Prime a good company, man. So what I'm thinking about, I still ain't made up my mind, but I'm thinking about once I get in 3 months, just go and drop another bag and buy a whole new truck. And let somebody drive this one. And I drive the new one. We're gonna see what it do, man. I really don't want nobody to be driving, because it's hard to find people you can trust, driving your truck. But we'll see how it go, man. We'll see how it go. I'm still in debate on it, So my goal is in 3 years maybe have 3 trucks. 3 years, 2.5 years, 3 years, have a small mini fleet with Prime. That's kind of what I'm debating on. So we'll see what happens when it come to that. I still ain't made my mind up yet. I sleep on it, and I'll let y'all know how it go. But yeah, man, it's a lot going on, but I'm enjoying it, man. It's my new profession, business owner, Ace Deuces. We've been trying to help this guy back up for about 30 minutes, and he don't speak no English. So it's kind of hard to get him to understand how to back up. Really hard to get him to back into his spot. See how long it take him for him to back in here. Trying to help this guy. He needs to straighten up. Trying to help this guy back up. Being this other Prime driver. I'm telling him that's to back straight up, and then once he starts getting that way, just straighten it out, right? Right? Okay. That what you telling him? Trying to help this guy back in, man. Hopefully we can get him in here. Hopefully we can get him in here. He don't speak English, so he don't understand when we tell him to turn a certain way. He don't understand, and I know he's probably stressing right now, man. Probably stressing. He just needs to come on straight on back now. me up, and I'm crooked too, but I'm in the dope. Yeah, just getting it in there. Yeah. Good. What's up, everybody? Ricochet, man, coming back at you. Hope everybody having a blessed, wonderful, prosperous day. I'm over here, man. I'm in Iowa. I'm about an hour and a half away from Kansas, and about an hour and a half away from Des Moines. I'm on my way to Kansas, but I'm shutting down for the rest of the day. I'm over here at this rest area, man. You see your boy down there. Come here, Macho. You see him? There he is. Yeah, we've been at it, man, since early this morning. Since like 5 o'clock this morning, so just gonna do a little walking. Get our hour, not our hour, but our mile walk in. Get a little step. Go back, I'm gonna cook me some pork chops tonight. Yeah, make me some pork chops, man. That sounds like what I'm gonna eat. I'm on the way to Houston, man. I dropped this load off, and then I'll be in Houston. So, till next time, Ace Deuces. What's up, everybody? Ricochet, man, coming back at you. I'm over here at my 90. I'm at my delivery. I'm in Kansas right now, man. And I came all the way from, I was in Illinois. And I came all the way over here, man. Right now it's currently about 17 degrees out here right now. It's pretty cold. It's about 17 degrees right now. So, but anyway, man, I'm dropping off this load, and then I'll be headed to Springfield, Missouri. I have a engine light that came on, so it's a sensor. Since it's been so cold, man, my sensors and everything been out of whack. Like my cruise control and not only my cruise control, but like my the traveling distance between vehicles. You know, my truck has sensors on it. So like if I get too close to a vehicle, it'll start braking and slowing down for me in order to make sure I don't run into nothing and stuff. So like my adaptive cruise control sensor, been acting up. And I'm like an hour and a half away from Springfield. So I decided that I'm gonna go ahead and try to go get that checked out, man. I like that. I need it because when I'm on the highway, man, I like to have that, I like to be in cruise control, man. I don't like to be having to press that pedal all the time, man. It get tiring sometimes. So, but yeah, I'm gonna head to Springfield after this. And it's like an hour and a half. Take it and let them fix it real quick. All they gotta do is change the sensor. A lot of these trucks be doing that, man. I was watching Driveline, and he was talking about on his Cascadia, it does the same thing. This is the first time it did that to me, and if you look right here, this is where all my sensors and stuff is at, man. And you can look at it, like right here. you look at it, you can see that it's all nasty and stuff, but I want to go ahead and get that fixed, man, and put me a new sensor in there. It's under warranty anyway, so it ain't no big deal. But at the same time, while I'm close to Springfield, I can get that done. It's like an hour and a half away, so I might as well go and get that done. That way, when I'm far away and I have something happen and that sensor not working, then I don't be having to be shut down somewhere for hours and hours and hours and hours. So, but yeah, other than that, man, this campaign been pretty good, man. I've been running. I've been out, I think, now going on 4 weeks. I think about 4 weeks. I think I'm gonna stay out another, maybe about another week before I go back to Houston, go back home. You know, look at Macho up there, looking out the window. He want to get his ass out, but I ain't gonna let him out. And I ain't supposed to let him out in at these. I ain't supposed to let him out in these receivers and stuff. Look how big he got. He's sitting up there looking at us. Look at him. Sitting up there. He's watching the people. Watching everybody that walk by. But yeah, man, I'm gonna get on the road, get to Springfield, probably end up going to the campus and trying to get me a little hotel or something at the campus. Put Macho in the room. That way we'll have somewhere to chill all day, man, while they working on the truck or whatever. But until next time, man, ace deuces. What's up, everybody? Ricochet, man, coming back at you. Man, I'm in Springfield right now, man. I had to get a sensor put on my truck. I was close to Springfield and I dropped the load, so I decided to go ahead and get this sensor replaced. And man, I'm stuck here in Springfield. I ain't gonna say stuck, but I'm over here at the Campus Inn, man. I got me a room here at the Campus Inn while my truck is at the Peterbilt shop. But I wouldn't have done it if I would have known they was getting some snow. I didn't even check to see if there was some snow. I was like 120 miles away when I was delivering my load, and my truck had an update to where I needed to update like a valve sensor or something like that, man. And I decided to come over here and get it done. And look at the snow. They're supposed to get 12 to 16 inches today. So I'm gonna sit still. I ain't trying to get no load. I'm gonna be here at the Campus Inn tonight, going into tomorrow. So I'm good with that, man. Me and Macho got us a little room. We in there chilling. But yeah, man, I just want to show y'all, man. I don't know if y'all can see them snowflakes. Let me walk out here. Look how it look, man. I came outside to smoke a cigarette. Look how that snow coming down. It's coming down, man. But yeah, man, other than that, I ain't doing shit, man, just chilling. I'm trying to decide on when I want to go home. I might go home next week. I'm trying to decide, but till next time, ace deuces. PSD? You already got the truck and everything? Upgrading? Good deal, man. You already went through the TNT and everything. Yeah, that's cool. What's this, reefer or flatbed? Reefer, me too. Yeah. My truck had Peterbilt. I had to get a sensor put on it, so I came here because I knew it was gonna be a snowstorm. I didn't want to be at a Peterbilt somewhere in Kansas City sitting in the truck. You know what I'm saying? So I brought it here so they could put that sensor on it. So shit, there wasn't no loads going out yesterday. Prime, they cut them off. I guess they got them going back again today. You know?
Back today.
Yeah. Look at this guy, man. He just did a whole donut. I'm from Houston, man. I ain't never seen this much snow in my life. Shit. It's crazy. They got the roads. Smoking, man. I just got back to my hotel. If you recall earlier, the video, you know, you can see the ground. And I was telling you about this the snowstorm coming, about Springfield getting 12 to 16 inches. What y'all think? How many inches y'all think that is? I promise you it didn't look like this earlier. If you go back and look at the beginning of the video when I first started talking about it and looking at it now, it's probably about, actually it is 5:44. Look how it look out here, man. Look at the snow. Hot mess. Look at the tire right there. When I was out here earlier, that car tire, it wasn't even There wasn't even no snow built up around it. All right, what's up, everybody? Ricochet, man, coming back at you. I'm still here in Springfield. They got my truck done, but they can't do the road test on it. Cause look at the snow. Y'all see the snow, man? They said they was gonna get 12 to 16 inches, man, and they got every bit of 20 to 25 inches, I think. I mean, it's crazy. But I'm cool, man. The chances of me being stuck somewhere, because I was here in Kansas, and this stuff is spread from Kansas all the way to West Virginia or somewhere like that. I was gonna be stuck in it anyway. So I'm glad that I'm stuck here in Springfield. It's a lot more of an opportunity to be able to, you know, do things, move around. I got a hotel, me and Macho in the room. So it ain't like we hurting. Good food, shower, nice bed, you know. But yeah, man, it's a mess out here. Pretty bad. Just walk to the stove. So I'ma chill. I'll be here chilling for the next few hours or whatever. Ain't really much more I could do. But other than that, man, it's a mess out here. It's pretty bad. Snow everywhere. I ain't seen snow like this before in my life, so. Hi, how you doing? Yeah, man. Other than that, take care. Boy, down there hooping. I'm on my way, man. Finna try to grab me a quick little shower. Give me a little shower in real quick. Yeah. I'm at Prime 1. What's up, everybody? Ricochet, man, coming back at you. I just got through walking out here in this mess, man, to get myself some fucking dog food. We snowed in over here in Springfield. They sent a message saying that there ain't no more loads going out, that all the major highways are closed, everything like that. So I decided to go ahead and it's about 5 o'clock right now. But I went ahead and got Macho some dog food from the convenience store that's next door. Thought I was gonna have my truck. He got this big thing of dog food in the truck, so I went ahead and just went and got his dog food. Yeah, man. How do we get in there? I'm stuck inside of this thing. I'm trying to get inside, but ain't nobody at the desk, so I guess I'll wait for somebody to come to the desk so I can get in, and might as well go to the kitchen. It don't close till 7, but shit, it's 5 o'clock, 5:30 right now. Go ahead and give me some food, take back to the room so I have me something to eat tonight. But yeah, man, it is bad out there. It's pretty bad out there, so. Man, appreciate you. Thank you. Yeah, it's pretty bad out there, so just gonna go get me some dog food. Go get me some food. Got my dog some food, so I'll do that. Go back to the room and hello. Go back to the room and chill out. Really ain't much else to do. And I said 12 to 16 inches of snow. They got 12 to 16 inches of snow if I can judge it right, but I don't know, it's a lot of snow, but we'll see what it do. Things I do for that dog. Snow weather. Yeah, man, I'll get back with y'all. Ace deuces. Finna walk in here into the Millennium Building, go eat breakfast. It's pretty cool. I gotta get on the road. My load ain't due until tomorrow, 4 p.m. I only gotta go like 480 something miles, so good load, paying $1,300. Jumped on that. But yeah, go in here and eat some breakfast real quick, man. See what I can get real quick. Give me some breakfast, coffee, and get on the road. Hey, good morning. Can I get 2 eggs?
What happens here, Jason?
3 bacon? What's up, everybody? Ricochet, man, coming back at you, man. I'm sitting here, I'm in Springfield. Finna get a trailer wash out. I've been here since like Tuesday evening. Today's Saturday. I had to get a sensor put on my truck, man, and it was a big storm coming. So I had a load that I dropped off in Kansas, and I decided to go ahead and deadhead from Kansas to Springfield so I could get my truck sent to the Peterbilt shop to get that sensor put on there. And the snowstorm came, which I'm glad I came here, because I would have been stuck over the road somewhere at a truck stop with that snowstorm. They closed down most of the highways and everything, so with me being able to deadhead here, put my truck in the shop, sit through the snowstorm here in Springfield, man, it was a good thing. So I'm finally getting up out of here. My truck was ready, but they couldn't test drive it because the streets was closed. All of the highways and everything was closed, so I couldn't leave. So I wasn't tripping on that, man. I'd rather be here stuck than at some rest area or at a truck stop somewhere, man, with limited resources. Here I got to eat good, I got to shower several times. It just was a good old thing, man. I got to restock the truck, went to Walmart. So yeah, man, it was a better deal for me than going to be over the road stuck. So I'm finna get my truck washed real quick and then I'm heading out. Hush, Macho! Hush! Finna get my truck washed and then I'm finna get up out of here. Macho, man, making me mad. He being hard-headed today. I got him in his kennel and he whining and crying and barking and stuff because he wanted to get out, and I ain't finna let him out because he was a bad dog. So, but yeah, man, other than that, man, y'all take care, man. Ace deuces. I see you on the road. All right, what's up, everybody? Ricochet, man, coming back at you, man. I'm over here at this chicken place, man, in Castroville, Missouri. This will be my first load. It'll be my first load coming from out of Springfield. I'm on my way to Illinois. So, yeah, man, I was in Springfield for like 3 days. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. No, more like 4 days. 4 days I spent in Springfield. You know, it was a big storm that shut the roads down for like 3 days. So I ended up staying there anyway because I had a check engine light. I had some kind of sensor that was going off, man, that I needed to get fixed. It didn't mess up the truck or nothing, but it was something that I wanted to make sure. I don't like nothing check engine, you know. They suggested I continue to drive because it wasn't nothing real major and faulty. But I decided to go ahead and I had a load in Kansas. I dropped that load off in Kansas. I said, you know what? Let me go ahead and go to Springfield and take my truck to the Peterbilt shop and let them fix it. They fixed it the same day, and the snow came, and the highways got shut down for almost 2 days. So they couldn't test drive the truck. So I wasn't mad. I was sitting there chilling. You know, wasn't nothing I could do. I'd rather be in Springfield than be at a truck stop or at a rest area somewhere. But yeah, man, I'm over here waiting to pick up my load now. You know, it's about 4 prime trucks over here. My load ain't, they working on my load now, so I got a really good load. This load is paying me $1,300 to go 482 miles, so for $1,300. So I'm really good with that. So with that being said, man, till next time, Ace deuces.